Healthcare systems fail at the first point of contact. This is where we fix it. Introducing the AI Healthcare Kiosk, a real-time multi-agent system designed to triage, analyze, and prioritize patients instantly before a doctor ever steps in. At the core is a modular architecture where specialized AI agents collaborate seamlessly. We begin by identifying the patient. The system securely retrieves patient records, providing immediate clinical context. Now we simulate a low-risk case, simple symptoms, but every detail matters. With one click, the entire intelligence pipeline activates. The intake agent structures raw input into medically relevant features. A trained machine learning model predicts the most probable condition. A rule-based triage engine assigns a risk score with deterministic safety logic. A GPT-powered agent generates a clear, human-readable clinical summary. Safety protocols inject disclaimers and guardrails. Personalized home care advice is generated instantly. Every interaction is logged for continuity and auditability, and the patient is placed into a dynamic priority queue. Here's the outcome: a low-risk classification, explainable disease prediction, AI-generated notes, and actionable home care, all within seconds. Now let's test the system under pressure. High-risk symptoms demand zero hesitation. The same pipeline activates, but the outcome is drastically different. Each agent processes the input in real time. The triage engine immediately flags this as high risk. No manual approval, no delay. The system auto-escalates. Emergency instructions are issued instantly, prioritizing patient safety above all. The queue manager overrides standard flow and assigns a priority token. Every decision is transparent, with clear reasoning and traceable outputs. A complete appointment and triage summary is generated as a downloadable PDF, ready for hospitals, records, or immediate escalation. And here's the impact: a live queue intelligently sorted by urgency, not arrival time. One system, 3 layers of intelligence: rule-based triage, machine learning prediction, and generative AI reasoning, explainable, scalable, and built for real-world deployment. This isn't just automation, it's smarter, safer healthcare access. And this is only the beginning.